Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to take this starter apart, and we're going to powder coat it, make it all nice and pretty looking. So recently I rebuilt an NV4500 transmission, and I installed that on my 92 W250 Dodge, and I also did an NP205 transfer case, and I powder coated them so they look really good. So I figured I'd go ahead and powder coat this starter and make it look good too. If you want to check out those videos of the transmission and the transfer case build, you can click on the link here for the transmission or the link here for the NP205 transfer case. So I'm literally in my kitchen, okay? It's cold out, didn't want to heat the shop up, so I'm in my kitchen, got a simple socket set, you know, gonna take this apart. Obviously I live alone, because if I had a wife she would be freaking, right? You guys know what I'm talking about. So let's get cracking. So this is the first time for me. I've never taken a starter apart. I mean, it doesn't look like it's that complicated. It looks like there's just two separate cases here, some bolts that hold together. I mean, little cup here. I mean, just, you know, can't be that difficult, right? So anyways, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna take these bolts off here. Alright, so I've gotten my parts back from powder coat. They look pretty good. Had to clean them up a little bit with some acetone and with a little buffing wheel, just because I didn't mask off a good enough job. So a little bit of powder in there is not going to hurt. But anyway, so I got most of it out. So we're going to go ahead and start assembling these, and hopefully we can remember how it came apart.